All right, we are back. Dude, it's been a long time since I've been out here. I haven't been out here in probably over a year, but I look around and I see a few different things. And I see this man. This is a new face. This is Coby. Say what's up.
Yo, it's good.
We're gonna bring this man out here today. It's his first time at All Patriot, so we have a few goals for this video. I want to give him a good experience for, you know, a good APA experience, All Patriot Airsoft. I want to try to win every single match today. Try to at least get 20 kills. It is their 5-year anniversary, so I definitely want to get a free hot dog. They're doing a raffle today, and they're giving away 3 guns, so we're gonna try to win a raffle.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
We're gonna get it. So right now we're gonna get all geared up and get ready for the day. So let's get to it. Let's do a little transition. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. Oh no, that's terrible. Come on.
Oh wait, you have to say.
3, 2, 1. Boom. That was actually pretty in sync. I hope it worked. I hope that transition worked the way we were hoping.
Probably in a different spot.
That's all good. We're all fitted up. We're looking good. I don't know if you guys can see everything. Yeah, we need to go get our guns chronoed, and then we're gonna hop on the field, and we're gonna get a lot of good videos for you. Got 2 cameras on us today, so we'll see how it goes. Let's go have some fun, man. Yeah, let's get it. Man, okay, if I didn't mention the punishment, this clip is gonna be in the beginning of the video, even though it's middle of the day. But the punishment for not winning or not completing all your challenges is this firing range, and we're gonna get as many people as we can to shoot me or him while we're running down the field. So I think it's gonna come down to the 20 kills. Everything else is pretty doable. I really felt like the 20 kills was gonna be doable too, especially with the amount of people out here, but I don't know. All right, everybody, welcome back to another Airsoft video. I've been waiting to do this for a while. I haven't made a video of Airsoft, at least in like a year. A lot of this footage is really just me trying to figure out if I like this new camera angle on the back. Now, although there might not be a lot of really good footage of kills or clear kills, but it just looks really nice, and I like the camera angle. So I think once I get the GoPro on there and the Zoomcam and put it all together, it'll look really, really nice. Also, if you guys happen to be in the Northern California area, make sure you check out All Patriot Airsoft, and then also check out America Airsoft. But yeah, definitely check this field out if you get a chance.
Go in. Hey, clear it, clear it. Go, 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 go. You're good. You can take it if you want. I'm getting with JBL over here. I never let it go. You'll be mine again, baby. I like that guy. Where is he? This way. Get it! You gotta watch Kill House. They could be in there. Alright, I have an idea. Let's hear about it. Okay, so we're gonna go out this. We're gonna go down this wall. And we're just gonna just keep going towards the blue tower. Try to look inside. Kill anyone inside if they're not teammates. If we are, just try to push up and we'll just get them trapped.
It's gonna be hard because there's a lot of people out there. I know that.
But it should be fun.
We got a team out of Blue Tower already.
Oh yeah, you're hopping up so much. Yeah. Who has a high cap?
So at this point in the video, I'm walking around to go find anyone that might have a similar pistol to Coby. So one thing I love about the airsoft community is you can go walk around and find anyone, and almost anyone will be willing to help you out. So I found this guy, and he was literally the best guy that could have helped me.
I have a quick question. Do you know if this is a hop-up? Do you know maybe where this is? You're standing alone. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. If you have any trouble with it, I know those things inside and out. That's my new Raffle, and I got all the spindles in the world. So. Thank you, man. That's awesome.
Oh my god, the hop up, bro. You dead? You got me. We got kill home? Are we ready to win? I don't know. Oh man, you got me. Oh!
Is it lunch?
Yeah.
Everyone's getting a lot for the hot dogs?
So 2 games down, and it's time to get ourselves some free hot dogs and get our raffle tickets, and we have the raffle coming up.
My hop up is just insane.
We'll figure it out. We got our dogs. We got our raffle tickets. said, dude, we came straight off the line, or straight off the field in the line. Said, we are getting hot dogs. I can't even look at the camera. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Still here? We're gonna be munching down this food, enjoying our break, and then we will be back at you guys for the next game. How are you liking it so far? Hop a squat, bro. How you liking it so far?
Good, just my hop up. It's insane. Have we won everything?
I don't know who won that last game.
Were we red or blue?
We were blue.
Oh, I flipped it to red.
You flipped it to red?
Are we red or blue?
I don't know. Hey, do you know who won the last game?
Huh?
Who won the last game?
Not me.
Yeah! 2-0. Coby's having a good APA experience so far, but that is still yet to be decided. We got a free hot dog. We're trying to win the raffle. We got our tickets. Try to win every match. We're 2-0 and get 20 kills.
I already got that.
You did not. If I get 20 kills, I won't have to get shot up.
So we decided to go take that guy up on his offer and see if he could help us with the hop up. So we walked all the way over to his Raptor. We originally talked to his son, and his son tried to help us out for a second, but he couldn't really get it, so we waited for his dad to pull up, and boom, he literally knew that thing inside and out. He did it in like 30 seconds, popped it open, helped us out, and then even offered if we needed any parts. I think it's really just, this whole interaction was just a really big representation of how good this community is. If you ever find yourself airsofting, make sure you go out there, meet people, and embrace that environment and the community, because everyone's out there to have fun just like you are, and the moment you start interacting with people, your experience just goes through the roof.
I appreciate that. Any questions? I appreciate it. Sorry to interrupt your lunch, man.
So big shout out to this guy. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all that help. So we had our raffle tickets ready, and some people literally had like 30 tickets.
Oh my god, bro, what is this guy doing? How many tickets does he have?
Oh yeah, I'd love to take a look at my future weapon here.
No, that thing's mine.
That thing's badass. No, that's actually really nice.
They also give you some fake bullets to go up in here, you know? Like you're firing live rounds.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. 1-7-0. No, not me.
It's gonna be 5, 8, 2.
We're over here with our lonely ones, and other people got rolls. I'll take a 646.
The last 3 are gonna be 0, 6, 7,
No.
6,
No.
38.
Nope. We lost.
8.
You know, if you bought multiple tickets, I respect you. I respect you for giving all Patriot more money. But I hate you. I hate you.
So with lunch and the raffle done, it's time to go hit the field to get some more gameplay footage for you guys.
Is that a thermite?
No, it's just gonna be grenade.
That's sick.
I don't think we're allowed to use thermites in there, so
Well,
I think they're a little bit deadly.
you think?
Oh, that's where he is.
Yeah, watch that window. Now we're moving. It's beautiful. This direction, behind the wall. 2 people. They stood right around that corner. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. What? You got him? You got that? I'm on your team. There's somebody right here. Oh, sorry. Huh?
One of you needs to take the friendly fire.
Oh, you do? Okay, I'll take it.
One of you.
Sorry, man. This is the guy right behind.
I fell.
So at this point we were pretty much wrapping it up, and after reviewing all the challenges and some of the footage, I don't believe I got 20 kills, so I think it's time for me to get a little punishment here, and I'm gonna have to get full autoed down the firing range.
Alright boys, are we ready? Yeah. Okay. Alright, my boy, here you go. It's recording. Alright, I'm gonna run zigzag until I get to the orange cone, then stop. Alright? How about once I pass this, once I get around here, start shooting. Alright? This is gonna suck.
Honestly, why did I do that? I thought it'd be funny for the video, good for you guys. You know, because I chose to get full autoed by like 10 people for 5 full seconds, I think that's worth a like and a subscribe right there. Alright, although you might see me talking in the car right here, the audio is a little bad, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of translation here. We got our hot dog, right? We got our tickets. We didn't win the raffle. We won every match. I didn't get 20 kills, which is why you saw me get full autoed. And then the most important one overall was, did Coby have a good APA experience, and his response?
Yes, of course.
There we go. You heard it here first, folks. 5-star review. You guys better go check it out. All seriousness, I really like this video. I'm really excited to be getting back out into the field and making more content for you guys. So please let me know what you think. I like to know real feedback on my videos. And if you see me pointing down, it's probably going to be at the video showing on the screen, because YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so make sure you click on it. And I will catch you guys next time. Thank you.